Hello! Wishing you peace, love, joy this holiday season and throughout 2022. I'm Mihайла Burtового, the Realtor from beautiful Miami Beach. Miami is a beautiful and scenic city in the sunshine state of Florida with stunning beaches and plenty of residential areas including apartment complexes, houses, penthouses, townhouses, as well as shopping malls, restaurants, bars, and coffee shops. I created this channel to show you the most updated scenery of Miami's beaches, streets, parks, gardens and other attractions, to showcase the property and lifestyle to buy. In my videos, I will be giving you the most important info about moving to Miami Beach, market analysis, and so much more. And in this video, I will show you the central street in Miami Beach, the Lincoln Road.
Would you still run away, break hearts, save the day, restart? Be the way so dark, can't you see what's going on? You just lie so long, can't deny you're wrong. Feeling I all gone, I just wanna go alone. I'm just trying to prove that I'm the best. I don't do it for the money, for the cause, or for the check. I got way too many people trying to put me through the test. I'm just feeling really good about myself without the rest. What you saying, what you saying, what you feeling? Coming back home slowly. What you saying, what you saying, what you feeling? So baby, let me know how I lost control. Save the day, restart, be the way so dark, can't you see what's going on? You just lie so long, can't deny you're wrong. Feeling I all gone, I just wanna go alone. I'm just trying to prove that I'm the best. I don't do it for the money, for the cause, or for the check. I got way too many people trying to put me through the test. I'm just feeling really good about myself without the rest. What you saying, what you saying, what you feeling? Coming back home slowly. What you saying, what you saying, what you feeling? So baby, let me know how I lost control.
I'm Михайла Буртовий, the Realtor, at your service. So please like, subscribe to my channel now to get informed about my videos. And if you have any specific questions, comment below. Give me a call right now or shoot me an email and let's get together.